Hi Gineers! Welcome to the Ginee channel. We will guide you on how to use the Inbound Management feature in the Ginee dashboard. This feature is used to record the stocks that you inbound to your warehouse. With this feature, you can create an inbound list, change the number of planned inbound products, and even cancel the inbound list before inbounding. You can add to the inbound list in two ways, one by one or to mass add. Let's first discuss the first method, Gineers, which is to create an inbound list one by one. First, go to Warehouse and then click Inbound Management. You will see here the inbound list created on the selected warehouse. If you have more than one warehouse, you can see its inbound list by adjusting the filter here and then click Search. You can proceed by clicking on the Create Inbound List button at the top right part. In this page, select which warehouse you want to inbound the products to and then click Add Product. This pop-up will appear. If your product has not been assigned to any warehouse yet, hover over the product and click Add to Warehouse. This will add the product to the selected warehouse. Once you have selected the products you want to inbound, click Submit. Input the cost and quantity. Before clicking Submit, tick the Direct Inbound box if you want to inbound it immediately. If it's not ticked, it will be tagged as Waiting Inbound under the Manual Inbound list, and you would have to manually inbound this later on. Once you have decided to inbound it, you still can update the final inbound quantity you want to set per product. That's it for creating an inbound list one by one. Now, let's discuss how to create in bulk. On this page, click Create Inbound List. After selecting your warehouse, click Mass Add. You have to open an Excel file and input the following required information. The format is like this. Column 1 is a required field where you have to put the master SKU. Column 2 is also a required field where you have to put the cost. Column 3 is required where you have to input the quantity per master SKU. Meanwhile, Column 4 is optional where you can put the shelf code number. If this field is not filled in, it will automatically use the default shelf. Once done, copy the data from the Excel file and paste it in the left box. Click Identify, and once successful, click Add to the inbound list. You also have an option to inbound it directly or not, Gineers. You can inbound products directly or manually, Gineers. Once you have done the steps in inbounding products, hover over the Direct Inbound section here. If this is checked, the inbound status will automatically be complete and your stocks will increase depending on the quantity you set. For example, if you have 100 stocks of this product, if you inbound 50, your stocks will be 150. If you didn't check this section, you need to inbound it manually. You can see the list of products that need to be inbound manually by searching for the inbound list with Waiting Inbound status. Select the warehouse and click Search. To inbound the inbound list, click Inbound and you will be directed to this page. You will just have to fill in here the final quantity of stocks that will be added. Click Submit once done. The status will change from Waiting Inbound to Complete. Then the warehouse stocks will also adjust accordingly. To edit an inbound list, select More and then Edit. You will be directed to this page where you can edit the delivery method, shipping number, and add a note. Once done, click Submit. You can also set the status to invalid if the products are not ready to be inbound. Just select More and click Set as Invalid. Click Confirm and the product status will be changed to invalid. If you need to export your warehouse inbound data, just click the Export button and select which among the files you want to export. That's it for our inbound management guide, Gineers. Good luck!